Hello everyone, greetings from Team ELECTROSAL. Today we are going to present you project model number 711 titled Smart Helmet using ESP32. Now let us look at the hardware and then the practical working. Here you can see our smart helmet system. In this project we are using ESP32 microcontroller which acts as the brain of the system. To monitor harmful sunlight exposure, we have used UV sensor which continuously measures ultraviolet radiation levels. To detect helmet wearing or rider presence, an IR sensor is used. This ensures safety compliance before riding. For accident detection, we have used the vibration sensor which detects sudden shocks or heavy impact. To sense harmful gases or alcohol, an EMQ gas sensor is used. And EMQ gas sensor which improves the rider and environmental safety. For emergency communication, we have integrated GSM module which is used to send alert messages. Along with this, a GPS module is used to fetch the live location of the rider. An LCD display is provided to show the real sensor values, warning messages and system status in real time. A buzzer is used to audio alerts to the rider, and other supporting components include voltage regulator, resistors, capacitors, switches, helmet body and power supply battery. Now let us see the practical working of this project. When the helmet is powered on, the ESP32 initializes all sensors. First, the IR sensor checks whether the helmet is properly worn. If the helmet is not detected, the system gives an alert and restricts the operation. Next, the UV sensor continuously monitors sunlight intensity. If UV levels exceed the safe limit, the buzzer turns on and a warning message is displayed on the LCD. At the same time, the MQ series gas sensor checks the harmful gases of alcohol. If gas concentration crosses the threshold, an alert is generated immediately. In case of an accident, the vibration sensor detects a sudden impact. The ESP32 then assumes an emergency conditions. Immediately the GPS module fetches the current location and the GSM module sends an emergency SMS along with the location details to predefined contact number. This ensures fast emergency response and improved rider safety. All sensor readings and alerts are displayed continuously on the LCD screen. Now let me demonstrate the working of this project. When an accident detects, the vibration sensor senses through the vibration and it will trigger the ESP32. The ESP32 will fetch the location through the GPS module and send that location to the registered mobile number by GSM module, and you can clearly see that the message has come as accident detected with latitude and longitude of that location respectively.